So there was a very young lawyer. She was practicing in cyber law. Now she's considered one of the best in the country. And back then, so I suggested to her that you should start writing some blog posts, and she did write 4 or 5 blog posts and started sharing the same on her LinkedIn and Facebook profile, more than a Facebook profile. And then next time I spoke to her, what she said is that I got 3 cases from my own housing society. I
Wow.
said, "Why is that?" Because see, I people knew that I'm a lawyer, but they didn't know that I do cyber law. And when they read my article, my own network, like people who know me, like my friends, my family, my college friends, my school friends, they discovered that I do cyber law after reading these articles.
Correct.
And after that, I am getting referrals from my own network, and that I think is very important. In most cases, your people who are very happy to refer matters to you actually don't know what you do and what is your area of expertise. Like I think most lawyers who are specializing into something, their parents don't know what they actually do,
That's
and
true.
that's a big problem.
That's true. That is so true. In fact, we also had another lawyer, an independent lawyer. Again, he wrote for a couple of newspapers. Rather, he got quoted in a couple of newspapers around a very critical issue, in matrimonial law. And I won't dwell too much into the details, but largely he's an expert in the space. He's never talked about himself or the kind of work he's done. And he's actually serviced some extremely well-known, industrialists, celebrities, all of that. And then one or two quotes from him in a newspaper here and there. He actually got another 5 to 7 referrals, through his existing corporate clients. So again, cross-selling. There was a firm that hadn't talked about the work they did. Suddenly they started reporting the work they do. Within a year and a half of its existence, the firm was ranked in the top 40 RSG list. Now that is truly a success story. And that's, again, it's just about talking about what you do in the right spirit with the right intent.